Best dishes in Dubai. Dubai is a melting pot of cultures and cuisines, offering a diverse range of dishes to suit every taste. Here are some of the must-try dishes in Dubai. Number 1, Makbuz, a traditional Emirati dish made with basmati rice, spices, onions, and chicken or lamb. Number 2, Shawarma, thinly sliced meat, usually chicken or beef, grilled on a spit and served in a pita bread with veggies and sauces. Number 3, Tharid, a traditional bread dish, served with a variety of dips, stews, and curries. Number 4, Stuffed camel, a whole roasted camel stuffed with a mixture of rice, spices, and meats. Number 5, Luqaimat, sweet dumplings made with a mixture of flour, sugar, and cardamom, and served with sweet syrup. Number 6, Hez, a traditional Emirati dish made of wheat, meat, and spices, slow-cooked to perfection. Number 7, Kebabs, a popular dish in Dubai, made with marinated meats, grilled and served with a variety of sauces and sides. Number 8, Makbus al-Koda, a vegetarian dish made with black lentils and spices, served with rice. Number 9, Balalit, a sweet vermicelli pudding, made with cardamom, saffron, and sugar. Number 10, Stuffed vine leaves, a Middle Eastern dish made with vine leaves stuffed with a mixture of rice, herbs, and spices. These are just a few of the many delicious dishes that you can find in Dubai. Whether you prefer traditional Emirati cuisine or international flavors, you're sure to find something to suit your taste in this vibrant city.